Welcome back, guys. This is the batter board setup. Well, the false framing to help us set up the real framing later. And it is 140 degrees outside, so we're gonna discontinue work and come back in the afternoon when it's less brutal. Although it is a great day for the solar system. But anyway, I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So how this works is, instead of measuring from the ground, right, we kind of establish our plane in the back, and using levels, we kind of created a frame of reference in the three-dimensional space, and then work our way down from the top. So just as an example, the height difference between the left-hand side, between this post and this post, is like 64 and a half, whereas this like 67 and a half, or something like that. There's a huge difference, and what that indicates is that the ground is not flat, of course, you know. So yeah, more to come. All right, the afternoon. So we did manage to squeeze in a couple minutes of work. So this is the opposite face, and it's premised upon the false frame right here. So we try to keep it around, wait a second. Wow, it's really far off. About 96 inches, maybe. 96 inches from the plane of the wall. And kind of put up more temporary blocking to show its final elevation. So, and we try to put in a couple of pieces of ribbing, but this one's been warped from sitting in the sun just for over a week. So we're gonna take that back to the store and get a new one. And yeah, so this is it. This is how you kind of make something out of nothing.